how to enable or disable SmartThings Tap View tap sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, go down and tap on connected devices. Next, we go down and then tap on SmartThings. In here, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings icon at the top. Now scroll down and then tap on Tap View Tap Sound. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now in here say, you can tap the device with the back of your phone to mirror your phone's screen on the device or continue listening to your music, to your phone's music on the speakers. So let's test it out and see how this feature works. So first, make sure Tap View Tap Sound is turned on. Now on my TV here, if I want to quickly mirror my phone, I can just tap on the side like this. It should make a small sound when I tap on it. Now you can hear. And then on my phone, it's a start now. And now it's connecting to the TV. And I will screen mirror my phones to the TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So all you have to do is just tap on the side of the TV like this. Now because it's already connected, so it won't allow me to switch off. So if I disconnect it, and then if I tap on the side, and there it is. When I tap it, it will make a sound and ask me to tap on the start now button to start the connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching.